welcome back to the Kadzsisters.
Today we have a whole house tour that you need to stay tuned because it's coming right after this, and we also have a few little fun things that we did after that. This is the second day of Arizona, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're just at my uncle's property. This is a new property that he invested in, and this is just amazing. Like, these cactuses, I think if I'm correct, that big one back there is 200 years old. It's so tall. And now this is the backyard. This is our first time seeing this property, so we're currently staying at the other one, which is in Scottsdale. Okay, so this is their little dining table outside. That's my uncle back there. That's my mom and my stepdad. Okay, so this is when you enter in.
Tutaj mieliśmy taki problem, że mieliśmy małą kuchnię. Mało, to było mało, tak? A tu były jedne drzwi takie, cyk, cyk, tak? No. Także sobie bardzo granat, żeby stworzyć so we installed this guy. And now...
Yes.
Oh, yes.
That's my dream.
That's the best.
Now this living room goes outside and it's a big, big space. So you're starting the party here, you go outside. Some people are in the pool, some people are grilling, having drinks, some people are
looks so
around a
nice.
nice car, right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is so nice.
There's a little shower, we entered the shower in this bathroom. This is the kids' room.
Kids room?
Oh
my God.
I love it. This is the kids' room. Cute bunk bed. Such a cute spot.
Podobają mi się te białe ściany.
To znaczy, no,
This is another bedroom.
ale nie było kamienia.
Also has a balcony here. Nice TV. And then this is the other bedroom. I love it. This is my first time seeing it.
Master penthouse floor.
A czemu daliście karpet tutaj?
Czaszki nie rozwaliły.
Masz rację, tak.
So here it is. This is our morning coffee space.
Morning coffee space.
You can come outside and enjoy the view of the mountains.
This is absolutely beautiful.
Talk to your guys who escorts that are in the pool or in the jacuzzi. There's also a 360 deck, but we don't know because the railing is too short. Anyways, you see the mountains?
Yes. Up there's another 360 roof, but my uncle doesn't allow anyone to go up there because the railing is too short. This is the bathroom. Wow. Oh my God, this bathroom is so nice. This is the grand bedroom, you guys. Ooh.
This is stunning.
Wow. Oh my God.
Insane,
This is another double bed room.
Też, bo ja bardzo lubię, wiesz? O!
Apparently my uncle's saying that there's a punchline. So.
Oh!
Holy!
Zobacz to!
Oh! Whoa! Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is beautiful.
Holy.
Ja nie mogę.
The wall.
No.
So this is the extension of the actual garage. The garage in this house can hold 12 cars. So it's almost to rent the whole thing, but the garage, this is the mental extension, right? So you go from the garage, you come here, you're excited about the cars there,
It's amazing.
and then you have your little party here.
This is the attached bathroom.
Bodies of the race cars.
Oh, okay.
My friend Ari Lindek, who you will probably meet.
So on this wall, my uncle has these signed by race car drivers.
Wow, szok. Tak?
This is, yeah, literally all the toys. Got some cars. Oh, the reveal. Oh yeah, this is the one.
Zabieramy jeden do domu. Tutaj jest garaż.
Yeah, I don't know this one. Woo! Oh my god, this one's so nice. 1970, you guys. My mom just said older than your mom. Wow. Okay, so my mom found another room. I mean, we did know about it, but we didn't go up here, so we're gonna check it. This is a loft, so this is the bedroom. Then this is the bathroom.
21st?
Okay, so we came back to the house and we stopped at the grocery store after the whole house tour and we got an Olipop, and this is the one that we've been wanting to try for forever.
Yeah.
Everybody always talks about it in America, and in Canada we don't have it, so
Yeah, and we got the strawberry vanilla flavor.
there's only 2 left, and this is the one that I have always wanted to try, like this specific
same.
flavor. So we're gonna give it a go on camera and let's see what the hype is, because
I don't smell anything really from it.
I kind of do. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Oh my god. That's so yummy.
That's bomb. Tastes like a strawberry starburst.
Oh man, now I'm gonna be sad that we don't have it in Canada. Yeah, well, we could go over the border and then we can get some. 10 out of 10. I don't even like pop, but this is perfect. We just wanted to,
Hop on and do a little taste test.
yeah. We have our mom in the back. She's gonna make us some lunch. I actually really wanna help, but I can't open this can. Karina, you have to because you figured it out. What is it? It's cauliflower.
Cauliflower salad. It's, you bake cauliflower and you add some fresh ingredients, including cilantro. It's amazing. It's amazing!
It is, and it's with avocado,
Yes, avocado, red onion.
cilantro.
Cilantro.
You could add edamame beans, but we couldn't find it in the store, but that's okay.
Yeah.
And Karina over here is doing the magic. I kind of figured it out, but I think I did it
This
the
is
wrong way.
different type of
Yeah, it's so
can
different.
opener.
Gang is just chilling over there, and I think that we're just gonna do some tanning and go in the pool because apparently the weather is not supposed to be as nice after today. So we're gonna try to take advantage of it all and soak up the sun too.
Yeah, I don't love that.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just see. We're going on a little bike ride. We're catching in time for the sunset. It's been so fun.
Row 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is pretty much in the center of all these shops, and it's by the Butterfly Wonderland in Scottsdale. And they have many locations because I went to it in Vancouver. This is a fam jam. That's my cousin's girlfriend, Isabel.
Girlfriend.
Yeah.
Best friend.
Obviously best friend. Oscar is with the hat.
Get in there. You.
Okay, we are going to close out this vlog, but we really hope that you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out on our coming up Arizona vlog. We're gonna have hopefully a couple, so make sure you stay tuned. Other than that,
Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when we upload a new video.
and we will see you guys next time. Bye!